Welcome to Equals DB Algebra on the Go. So pag-uusapan po natin for today is multiplication and division of integers, grade 7 math. So last time, we take up the rules of signs ng addition and subtraction. So this time, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay ang rules of signs ng multiplication and division. Okay, so unahin po nating i-discuss ang rules of signs ng multiplication. So, positive times positive equals positive. So, negative times negative equals positive pa rin po, no? So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, so yung positive, pag minultiply ng positive, positive pa rin po yan. So, negative, pag minultiply ng negative, ang sign is positive pa rin po. Okay, so positive times negative equals negative. So, negative times positive equals negative. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo po, pinagbaliktad. Positive times negative and negative times positive. So, ang magiging sign po dito ay negative pa rin po kahit pagbalik na rin. Okay? Rules of signs for division naman po. So, positive divided by positive equals positive. So, negative divided by negative equals positive. Okay? So, positive divided by negative equals negative and negative divided by positive equals negative. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo po dito, parehas po ang rules of signs ng multiplication and division. So, pinalitan lang po yung operation. Dito po, ginawang multiplication. So, dito naman po, ginawang division. So, hindi po kayo malilito dito. Dahil ang tatandaan nyo lang po dito ay yung isang rules lang po, no? Pwedeng rules of sign lang po ng multiplication o rules of sign ng division. Dahil parehas naman po sila. Okay, so take note, all numbers without signs is assumed to be positive. So dito po sa ating examples, yung mga numbers po na walang sign ay positive po ang kanilang sign. Okay? So unahin po natin ang example ng multiplication. So let's multiply the following integers. So example number 1. So 3 times 4. So positive 3 po ito, no? And positive 4. So, ito po yan. Positive times positive equals positive. So, 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So, ang sign po niya is positive. So, hindi na po natin ilalagay. Example number 2. Positive 5 times negative 2. So, positive times negative equals negative. So, ang sign po dito is negative. So, 5 times 2 is equals to 10. So, the answer is negative 10. So, example number 3, negative 7 times negative 5. So, negative times negative po ito. So, ito po yan, negative times negative equals positive. So, ang sign po dito is positive. So, 7 times 5 is equals to 35. So, the answer is positive 35. So, example number 4, negative 8 times positive 2. Ito po yan, negative times positive equals negative. So, ang sign po dito is negative. So, 8 times 2 is equals to 16. So, the answer is negative 16. Okay, so isunod po natin, division. So, divide the following integers. So, example number 1. Positive 27 divided by positive 9. So, equals. So, ito po yan. Positive divided by positive equals positive. So, 27 divided by 9 is equals to 3. So, ang sign po dito is positive. So, the answer is positive 3. So, example number 2. Negative 18 divided by negative 6. So, ito po yan, negative divided by negative is equals to positive. So, 18 divided by 6 is equals to 3. So, the answer is positive 3. Example number 3, negative 14 divided by positive 7. So, negative divided by positive equals negative. So, the sign here is negative. So, 14 divided by 7 is 2. So, the answer is negative 2. So, example number 4, positive 21 divided by negative 3. So, positive divided by negative is equals to negative. Okay, so ang gagamitin po nating sign is negative. Then, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So, the answer is negative 7. Okay. So, palagi po nating tatandaan, no? Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung rules of signs for multiplication at ang rules of signs for division ay magkaparehas lang po. So, hindi po ito nakakalito. Okay, so marami pong salamat sa kanilang panonood, and don't forget to like and subscribe.